How to remove video as a profile photo from TikTok. If you're struggling to find out how to do that, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on TikTok. Now tap on the edit profile, which is on your left side of your screen. Once you tap on the edit profile, it will automatically take you to the new page, which will help you to edit and remove the video as your video profile. In the top right corner, you can see there's an option called Change a Video. Tap on it and tap on the second option, which is called Remove Video. Once you do this, it will automatically be removed and it will go back to the normal state by not uploading any videos on your profile. In this way, you can easily remove video as a profile picture from TikTok. If you found my video helpful, make sure to share it with your friends, give big thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.